Hello, hi. This is Josy. I'm a pharmacist. In today's video, I'm going to share with you one healthy smoothie that I've been enjoying lately. This smoothie contains a lot of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. One thing I like about this smoothie is that it makes me full, so I use it as a food replacement. This smoothie is very good for our body, so it boosts my immune system as I go by my day. This healthy smoothie is my BERRY-OAT smoothie. It contains a lot of fiber, a lot of minerals and vitamins. I have a cup of mixed berries, and the kind that I get, it contains blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, and raspberries. And it's a very good antioxidant, great in fiber, vitamins and minerals. I also have my oatmeal, great source of fiber. It also makes you full throughout the whole day. I have my avocado. It makes the smoothie taste smooth, and also it makes it creamy. And avocado is also an healthy fat. I have my spinach, a great source of vitamins and minerals. It also has antioxidants, and it's also good for our body. My last ingredient is my almond butter. It makes the smoothie taste very good, and it's also an healthy fat. If you're allergic to nuts, it can be an option for you in this smoothie. I add a half cup of water to blend. This is my chill healthy smoothie. Very colorful. This smoothie is very colorful. It has all my favorite ingredients, and it has vitamins, minerals, and all the ingredients you need for the day. It has an antioxidant, and it's very good for our body. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment. Also, don't forget to share. I will see you in my next video. Go ahead and enjoy a very good smoothie. God bless you.